Hi, this is Kelsy from PhantomSpot, and I just wanted to go over a few of the key SPY Phantom prints that we were watching this past week. So on Wednesday, shortly after the close, there was a 50K Phantom print that hit the SPY tape for 439.88, and it was instantly filled, and you can reference this chart right here that I have on the left. Other prints that were filled on this wick included 438.35, 438.64, 438.72, and 438.80. I had a couple messages back and forth with a few of you, and it seemed like this wick was only showing on TradingView and it wasn't showing across your other charting platforms. So because of that, I mentioned that in the Phantom Spot daily review that when this has happened in the past, price still eventually traded to those levels with real candle bodies during regular trading hours. So this could be something to watch for. And I also mentioned because of that, I would consider the 438.35 to 439.88 zone as prints that were semi-open. I mean, technically they were filled, but I would have liked to see real candles trade there. So that's what we were watching for. On Thursday morning, the pre-market high was 438.80, and that was the exact highest print from the 438 cluster. It didn't continue on to retest the 439.88 print. And then there was bearish momentum, and at that time, the closest open phantom spot to the downside was 432.99. So this seemed to act as a magnet. And on Thursday evening, the Phantom Spot email discussed that there was a print that this really reminded me of from September. And this print you can see in this part of the email. It was for 500K volume for 437.18. And this was much similar to the 50K 439.88 print and that wick that also filled a couple of other prints. I went through my emails and I dug and dug and dug, and I found that at the time that we were watching for the regular bodies of candles to trade to this level. And the interesting part, the print that was filled on this candle was for 438.72, and there was also one for 438.80 that was filled on the way down. And these were both levels that were filled on this week's print. So we can see it's kind of crazy how it's all connected. And then if we look at the September chart, price traded to the entirety of this wick on the second day. And this happened this week on day two. So I'm going to change to this chart. So this was Wednesday, filled the print, came back up to 438.80, came down, didn't quite fill the 432.99 print, and then we bounced all the way up on day two. So this was really cool. Um, I think it's all connected. I think the stock market has muscle memory and it's all in this data that we have, and it's just up to us to dig and find what it's trying to tell us. So it's pretty cool. Congrats if you got some in the move, or even if you just learned from it. This was a great example. So if you have any questions, you can email me at kelsey@phantomspot.com. Thank you.